Have you ever tried the Thailand seafood sauce? Don't you know that this is the secret why Thailand seafoods are selling fast? Today, I'll be teaching you how to make this in your home.
Nangmiyaw eh. Shit. So, Thai seafood sauce. Garlic. Ang atong coriander roots. Ang atong long red chili. Three tablespoon ng lime juice. 3 tablespoon ng fish sauce. 1, 2, 3. Then 1 tablespoon ng water. 1. And then 1 tablespoon ng coconut or palm sugar. Then add tayo konti ng brown sugar. Konti lang. Mga 1 tablespoon. Then in one go, lime.